Good morning everyone. How are you? All are fine? Nice. So class, again you had 2 days holidays, that is Saturday and Sunday, isn't it? But now from today the week has begun. The first day of the week, that is Monday, and there will be no holiday till Friday. So it's going to be a regular week and we all are going to learn some really interesting things in regular classes. Okay? So let's begin with our today's maths class. Is that so? So today is 18th January 2021. अब आपको दोबारा से सीखना है how you have to read the date. So class, listen again. 18th January. अब January year का first month होता है ना? This is why we are writing 1 and the year is 2021. 2020 2020 finish हो गया है. So now you don't have to keep on writing that again and again. You have to write 2021. And what is the day? It's Monday. Yes. So you must have understood that ma'am has drawn a box pattern here. So what we do in this type of notebook, आपकी जो ये वाली notebook है, उसमें हम क्या करते हैं? What we do in that? We write numbers and counting. Yes. So today ma'am is going to teach you counting ahead. तो अब उससे पहले you have to tell me आपकी जो written counting है वो कहाँ तक finish हुई थी हमारी before vacations? सब भूल गए? Yeah, you remember that? We have completed our written work of counting till 60. That means we all know how to write numbers from 1 to 60. You all know that? And you all might be practicing because you have done that in your holidays homework also. So now we are proceeding, we are moving ahead, and today ma'am is going to teach you how to write numbers from 61 to 70. Is that clear? Now, before moving there, you have to tell me what is the meaning of number 46. So, if I ask you, I have written a number 46. अब मैम आपसे पूछती है कि now this is 46. तो आप बताइए आपके पास कितने ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं? How many objects? If I ask you कि अब आपको इसको बताना है कि कितने ग्रुप्स हैं, कितने ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं, तो how will you define it? You will tell me 4 groups of 10 objects each and 6 more objects. Yes. अब आपको ये कैसे पता चला 4 group of 10 objects? Because 4 is written for tens. Yes. है ना? हमने यही सीखा है ना, जो tens और ones के नीचे जब हम digits लिखते हैं, what we have learned कि जब हम tens के नीचे जो digit लिखते हैं, that means those many number of groups, isn't it? और ones के नीचे जो होते हैं, वो single मतलब 6 अगर लिखा है, तो we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 objects. But we have 4 group of 10 objects. तभी तो वो 40 हुए ना? Isn't it? So you remember this or you have all forgotten that? You remember it. Very good. This is why we always write the number under tens and ones separately. The digits are written और कभी भी उनको one single box में नहीं लिखना है. Clear? Especially जब हम counting कर रहे हैं, be that your forward counting or your backward counting, जब भी हम कभी counting work करते हैं, don't write both the digits in one box. हर box में अलग digit लिखना है because हर digit की एक अलग value होती है. यहाँ 4 की value में क्या है? 4 group है 10 object के. यहाँ तो सिर्फ 6 objects हैं. ठीक है? So हर number की हर digit की एक अलग value होती है. Okay class? Okay now. Let's move ahead. Let's start writing our counting from 61 to 70. But have a quick revision from 1 to 60 also. Okay. Let's say you have to speak counting with me. I will not wait. Ready? Get set go. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. अब देखिए मैम ने जब 10 तक काउंटिंग बोली, हाउ हैप्पीली, हाउ लाइवली मैम इज स्पीकिंग ना. मैम जोर से भी बोल रहे हैं, क्लियर साउंड आ रही है. बट व्हेनेवर आई आस्क यू टू शूट अ वीडियो फॉर काउंटिंग 1 2 3 4 5, या तो आप ऐसे होते हो या फिर 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 समझ ही नहीं आता है. सो यू हैव टू बी वेरी क्लियर व्हेन यू से द नंबर्स. ठीक है, लेट्स स्टार्ट वंस अगेन. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Very good. 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30. Very nice. 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 39 के बाद क्या आएगा? 40. What is the meaning of 40? 40 40. How we write? We write 4 under 10s and 0 under 1s. What it means? 4 group of 10 objects. Yes. 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 50 51 52 53 54 55 56 57 58 59 60. 60 तक written भी हो गया है, oral तो we have done till 80, isn't it? Now let's move ahead and today I will teach how to write from 61 to 70. So let's begin. 61. 6 will be under 10s and 1 will be under 1s. 6 को हम 10s के नीचे लिखेंगे और जो हमारा 1 है वो कहाँ आएगा? 1s के नीचे. T is for 10s, O is for 1s. Very good. So this is 61, 62, 63. Say with me. 64. जब भी whenever you write counting, always speak. ये बार-बार बोलती है मैम. Then you have to write 65, 66. Then 67, 68, 69, 70. Isn't it? Till 70. Let's move ahead. अब क्या लिखना है? We have to repeat it once again. Okay? So let's revise. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Clear? And once more we are going to write it again from 61 to 70. So say with me. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Clear? This is how you will write your numbers from 61 to 70. Is that clear? Now, let's see how to do this work in our notebook. So, please open your notebook, all of you. You have to do this counting work in your notebook. Okay? So, open your notebook and there you have to write date and classwork, and then let's see how to do this work. Okay? Class, now you all have to open your maths notebook and write down your today's topic. So what is the topic? Counting from 61 to 70. Clear? So you will write this topic. With this, don't forget to write your date and classwork. So how we are going to do that? See, 18th January 2021. Clear? So write down the correct date. Now 2021 has started. And mention classwork. After this, write down the topic, that is counting 61 to 70. Now what we will do first, we will write tens, ones, and then we will put a cross mark. Clear? This is how you will begin the work. Date, classwork and topic. After that, write tens and ones and put a cross mark. Now we'll start writing our counting. From where you have to begin the counting? 61. So let's begin from there. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. After that, 67. Then you will write 68, 69, 70. अब हमें 70 तक ही लिखना है ना. So what we will do? We'll stop here only. ठीक है? This is how you have to do your counting work. अच्छा, सिर्फ एक बार नहीं करना है भाई. You have to do it once again. Write down tens and ones and put a cross mark. And let's begin again. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Done? Once again. Yes, let's write tens and ones and put a cross here. Again we'll practice. 61, 62, 63, 64. Understood? अब क्या आएगा? 65. Very nice. 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. And then again tens and ones. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Clear? So this is how you will write your counting from 61 to 70 in your notebook. Understood? But this is your classwork. So what's your homework today? Today you will write same counting as your homework also. Understood? So homework will be same as classwork. आपको homework में भी यही counting लिखनी है. So let's have a revision once again. How we have written numbers? 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. क्लियर? सो आप इसको मल्टीपल टाइम्स जितनी बार आप लिखने की प्रैक्टिस करेंगे यू विल बी एबल टू राइट इट मोर नाइसली एंड विदाउट एनी मिस्टेक. ओके क्लास? So class, I hope you have understood how you are going to do your today's work in notebook as your classwork and homework. Today we have completed our counting from 1 to 70. See class, थोड़ा थोड़ा करके learn किया है, but you all know how to write your numbers from 1 to 70. So what you have to do after finishing your work, one thing you have to do is regular practice of your oral counting. आप daily मम्मा को oral counting तो सुनाओगे. Try to take out some time for your written counting practice also. ठीक है? अब tomorrow you don't have your maths period. कल तो नहीं होगा. तो कल के लिए आप क्या करोगे? You will practice writing your numbers from 1 to 70 in your notebook. It will be a type of practice work. Okay class? That's all for your today's maths work. Now please get ready for the next class, that is EVS class. Yes. So please be prepared with your EVS books. Okay.